Right, Jasmine, this is Jasmine standing there, wearing a dress. Jasmine wants to find the height of her house. She measures the angle of elevation at the top of the roof. The angle of elevation is this angle here. See this, that angle there. An angle of elevation, that's 30 degrees. What? Okay. She is standing 18 meters from the house, from a point on the ground directly above the apex of the roof. Jasmine draws the diagram above to show this information. So we want to find out the height of x. See that distance there? Alright? So it's a regular triangle. So which rule do you think we'll use? Will we use sine? Well, what is this side here? This is the side that we don't know. What's it called?
That's opposite.
It's called opposite. And what's the longest side called?
Hypotenuse.
And adjacent. Right, so we'll write down our 3 rules, and this is going to be very important for your test on Thursday and Friday. So sine, I'll give you the rules on Friday if you ask for them. Opposite over hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is equal to sine opposite over adjacent. Now, which rule do you think you're going to have to use there? We have to find the opposite, and which one do we know? Just looking up, everybody. Yeah. So when you're doing these sums, it's the side that you're looking for. You don't know that one, and then you need to know another one. So I don't know the hypotenuse, so that would be 2 unknowns. That's not good enough. I know the adjacent, so opposite and adjacent. So which formula am I going to use? Which formula? No. Which one has opposite and adjacent in it? No. Tan has opposite and adjacent. Alright? Okay. So I use tan. And 30 degrees is equal to opposite, which I don't know, is x. So opposite over adjacent. Opposite, which is x, over adjacent, which is 18. Now this, if you look up, watch the board for now. That's written as a fraction. So I can write anything as a fraction by putting it over 1. Like that. Alright? Now what I can do in sums like this, if there are 2 fractions in a sum and it equals in between, I can do a thing called cross multiplication. So 1 times x is 1x. And now 18 times the tan of 30. If you're looking up, 18 times, or bracket, tan 30 degrees. So you can key that into your calculator. First of all, get the tan of 30 degrees equals, press SD if you like, and multiply by 18. X is equal to 6 root 3, or 10.39 to 1 decimal place. 10.392. So x is equal to 10 point to 1 decimal place, 10.4 meters. Right. That's definitely one you'll need to study. Alright. What other information is needed to find the height of the house? Well, I found out that this is 10.4 meters. What other information do I need to find the height of the house? So I only know the height from here to there. What else do I need to know? I need to know this height here. That height. Or I need to know the height of Jasmine. If I know Jasmine's height and add it to 10.4, I get the total height of the house. So we can write down Jasmine's height.